Here's how to use VLOOKUP in Excel to quickly find data from a table without searching manually. Now look at this dataset where we have fruit names in column A and their prices in column B. For example, mango is 100, apple is 90, strawberry is 80, melon is 70, and pear is 60. Now the goal is simple. Whenever you type a fruit name, Excel will automatically return its price. First, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear, then start typing the formula equals VLOOKUP. Now, select the cell where you will type the fruit name as your lookup value. Then add a comma. After that, select the full data range, including both columns A and B. Then add another comma and type 2, because we want the value from the second column, which contains the prices. After that, type false to make sure Excel finds an exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. Now, when you type a fruit name like mango, Excel will instantly show its price. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel